Brown-Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. Everybody knows this song. It's not that hard to play. Actually, it's really easy to play if you just do the chords, but I'm going to also teach you in this 3-minute lesson, the fastest lessons on YouTube, that little note right there. And also that iconic little, intro. But we're going to have to do it fast. So let's start here with a G major. Right here, no capo. So it goes, hey, well, amiga, C major, G, days where the rains came, that's D major, G major, C major, G, D major, and then it goes into the chorus. C major, D major, G, E minor, U my, C major, D major, brown-eyed girl, G, and back to D major, and then it begins the verse over again. Now, I'm going to go through this super fast. When it goes to the chorus again, it goes, our hearts are racing in you, we're jumping in you, my brown-eyed girl. You're playing a G chord, so you already have this finger right here on the 3rd fret of the E string. Well, if you get to the 5th fret with your pinky, or just start it over with this. So play a G and go. It's really easy. Same string. It's the 3rd fret of the E string to the 5th fret, back to the 3rd fret, to the 2nd fret, and then open E string. And that takes you to that E minor. Okay, you can pause and rewind that one. I'm doing that one fast. And then real quickly, to start the beginning of the song, you go this. You hit open B and G strings, and then you put your first finger on the B string, first fret of the B string, and then the 2nd fret of the G string, and then slide them up 2 frets, and back down 2 frets, and then open again. Try that a couple times. And then to do the next part, you put your first finger on this 1st fret of the B string, and then the open E string. It's like a C major, the top of a C major chord, and go. Then 1st fret of the E and the 3rd fret of the B, like this, and slide it up 2 frets, back down 2 frets, and then again put the first finger on the 1st fret of the B string and the open E. So, sorry. And then D major. Super cool right there, and I give you a little bonus right here when it goes, do you remember when? That's the D major. Hit it twice. We used to sing G, C, G, D, that sha-la-la-la-la part, just over and over again. G, C, G, D, back to G. Super repetitive, only 4 total chords. And I'd love to hear in the comments, tell me how you did with those little notes right there. Did you nail them or not? Are they a struggle? I know I did it fast, but if you slow it down, did you get them? All right, let me know, and I'll catch you next time for another video. Later.